What's up, foodies? It's summertime and there's no better time to show you how to make my irresistible pellet smoked chicken wings and a homemade spicy ranch dressing to dip them in. So let's get into it. First, ensure the chicken wings are thoroughly patted dry with paper towels before seasoning. This is going to help the seasoning stick better and give you a crispier skin. Also, air-chilled chicken wings tend to have a better flavor and texture compared to water-chilled ones. They will also have a crispier skin when cooked due to the lack of added moisture. This video is sponsored by Community Natural Foods. It's a 45-year-old Alberta company offering clean, delicious, farm-direct organic products. They have provided me with some excellent chicken from Sumwick Farms. They are known for their healthy, organic food by taking good care of their land and their animals, making sure they are happy and healthy. In a large bowl, add 2 pounds of chicken wings, then add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Whew, that's a lot to say in one breath. You're probably wondering why we're adding baking powder here. The baking powder is going to help give you a crispy wing. Now toss them to coat them evenly with the seasoning. Turn your smoker on and make sure it's full of pellets, and then preheat the smoker to 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Place your wings onto the smoker, just make sure they don't touch. This is going to allow for even smoke circulation. Then we're going to smoke the wings for roughly 1 hour to help infuse them with a nice smoky flavor. While our wings are smoking, let's make some spicy ranch dip. In a mixing bowl, mix together 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, and 1/4 cup of buttermilk until smooth. Now if you don't have buttermilk, you can substitute with Greek yogurt. Add in 1 to 2 finely chopped chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, along with 1 teaspoon of the adobo sauce. Now mix in half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of dried dill, 1 teaspoon of dried chives, 1 teaspoon of parsley, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whew! Again, another long list. Now finish with a squeeze of lemon juice, about half a lemon should do, then whisk everything together thoroughly. Now refrigerate the dressing for at least an hour to allow the flavors to come together, but it's best to leave it overnight. After 1 hour has passed, increase the smoker's temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Then cook the wings for an additional 5 to 10 minutes to crisp up the skins. Then remove your wings from the smoker and serve them with my spicy ranch dressing. You can use this spicy ranch dipping sauce or wings or dressing for a salad. And there you have it, my perfectly smoked chicken wings with homemade spicy ranch dressing. These are just amazing and I can't wait for you to try them out. If you did, let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a subscribe down below. And until next time, foodie out.